Welcome to the video number 7 on electronics communication. In this video, we are discussing about AM modulator using bipolar junction transistor. In the previous video, we discussed about the amplitude modulation. In this video, let me explain about the AM modulation using BJT, that is bipolar junction transistor. For the proper communication between two persons reside at different places. For example, you are speaking to a friend who is at other place or at a different place. For that, the effective way is to send the voice without disturbance. Hence, we need transmitting and receiving antennas. According to the theoretical calculations, antenna's height should be lambda by 4th of frequency used. Such a long antennas are impractical. Hence, we need to increase the frequency of the message signal. One of the ways is to encoding the sound information electronically on the radio waves, called the amplitude modulation or AM. The modulation is the process by which some characteristics of carrier wave signal is varied accordance with the input modulating signal. To do this process, we use the AM modulator circuit with the transistor. The circuit for the AM modulator using BJT is like this. Here, the carrier signal of 15 volt and 11 kHz is fed to the base of the transistor, and the audio signal or modulating signal is applied to the emitter resistor. This transistor combines these two signals and gives the output, which is amplified at the collector junction. Now we can get the amplified output at this position. The envelope of the modulator wave has some shape as the baseband signal, provided the following conditions are satisfied. Number 1 is the carrier frequency must be greater than the signal frequency, that is Fc should be greater than Fm, and the second one is the modulation index must be less than 1. And let's discuss about some advantages of AM. The circuit is simple to implement using diodes. AM transmitters are less complex, and AM receivers are very cheap and no specialized components are required. AM waves have low bandwidth. And if you see the disadvantages, AM signal is not efficient in terms of power, and AM detectors are sensitive to noise. Hence, an amplitude modulation signal is prone to high level of noise, and the reproduction is of not high fidelity. To have the high fidelity, the transmission bandwidth should be 40,000 Hz, but in the AM we have 10,000 Hz. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe below for notifications on new videos.